Hello guys, welcome to Maths by Budania sir. In this video, we will solve a very important case study question from the chapter Some Application of Trigonometry. This is our second case study from this chapter for this session 2024-25. We will explain the concept and solution step by step. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates on all types of questions, be it MCQs, case study questions, session region, and descriptive 2, 3, and 5 marks. Pause the video, try the question yourself, and then watch the solution. Let's get started. So here case study is saying Lakshman Jhula is located 5 kilometers northeast of the city of Rishikesh in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. The bridge connects the villages of Tapovan to Jonk. Tapovan is a Tehri Garhwal district on the west bank of the river, while Jonk is Garhwal district on the east bank. Lakshman Jhula is a pedestrian bridge also used by motorbikes. It is a landmark of Rishikesh. Next, it is saying a group of class 10th students visited Rishikesh in Uttarakhand on a trip. They observed from a point P on the river bridge that the angle of depression of opposite banks of rivers are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. The height of the bridge is about 18 meters from the river. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. So we have to use this information for our case study. Above information is for general knowledge. Okay, before proceeding to the questions, let's understand some concepts to be used here. First of all, let's say this is a building AC. On top of it at point A, someone is sitting there and observing point B. Then the angle made by this line, and this line is called line of sight. Line of sight is AB, makes an angle with horizontal, that is theta. So this theta is called angle of depression. Now instead of point A, that person comes to the point B and observes the point A. Then the line of sight will be BA. In this case, the angle with this horizontal will also theta, because these two horizontals are parallel and this is transversal. So this angle and this angle are interior opposite angles. So these two angles will be equal. This is the concept. So angle of elevation will be equal to angle of depression in this case. Okay, now let's proceed to the questions. First question is asking find the distance PA. Now here we can see that this is the river and there is a bridge on it. This is the bridge. If you can't see properly in the figure, I'm mentioning the lines and angles given here by blue pen. So this is the bridge. Now it is saying that at point P, this is point P, the student sees this bank of the river. This bank of the river is A and this point is P. Okay, and angle of depression is 60 degree. From this point P, the student sees this bank of the river, right side, that is east bank of the river, that is point B, and this angle of depression is 30 degree. Clear? Now at the east coast of the river, there is a pillar, and if the student at point P sees the top of the pillar, this makes angle of elevation that is equals to 30 degree. So first of all, let us draw this figure. Now we are saying that this is the bridge and this is the river. Let's say this is the point P from where student sees the west course of the river. Okay, and this point is A point, and let's say this is the east coast of the river, and this point is B. It is given in the question, and it is given that height of the bridge is 18 meter. This is 18 meter. This point is point C. And also it is saying that this is point R. Now at point R, there is a pole which is supporting this bridge, and this point is Q. QR is pole. So joining P and Q, it is given that angle of elevation, this is 30 degree. Now angle of depression, this is given 60 degree, and the angle of depression of east coast is given 30 degree. Now from here we can say that this angle PAC will be 60 degree and angle PBC will be 30 degree, because here we know that angle of elevation is equals to angle of depression, as we have discussed in the concept. Now it is asking find the distance PA. So what we have to find is this distance PA. Now in first case study, we have studied the concept that if in a triangle one side and one angle is given, then we can find length of another two sides easily. If you haven't seen that video, then I will give the link in the I button. Okay, now we can say that in triangle PAC, we are given PC and this angle 60 degree. So to find PA, what we have to consider is AP and CP. So in this case, CP is perpendicular and AP is hypotenuse. So considering P and H, we know the trigonometric ratio, that is sine theta. We will use sine 60 here. That is equals to PC upon AP or PA. Okay. So from here sine 60 is root 3 by 2. PC is given 18 upon PA. So PA will be equals to 36 by root 3. On rationalizing, multiplying and dividing by root 3, we will get PA is equals to 36 by 3, that is 12 or root 3 meters, and this is the answer. Clear? Now in second part it is asking find the distance PB. So similarly we will find PB as we have found PA in the first part. Okay, so in triangle PCB we are given this side 18 and this angle 30, and what we have to find is PB, that will be hypotenuse. So in triangle PCB, considering P and H, again we will use sine 30 degree will be equals to PC by PB. So sine 30 is 1 by 2, PC is 18, we have to find PB. Is from here PB will be equals to 36 meters, and this is the answer. In third part it is asking find the width AB of the river. So what we have to find is AB length. So we know that AB is equals to AC plus BC. So what we have to find is AC from the triangle PAC and CB from the triangle PCB. Now considering in triangle PAC, we know that what we have to find is AC, and AC is base, as this side is adjacent to the given angle, so it is base. So considering P and B, that is tan theta. So tan 60 degree will be equals to PC by AC. So tan 60 is root 3 is equals to PC. PC is given 18 AC. So AC will be equals to 18 by root 3. On rationalizing this, we will get 18 by 3, that is 6 root 3 meters. And similarly in triangle PCB, here what we have to find is BC, and BC is base adjacent to the given angle. So we will use tan theta here. Tan 30 degree is equals to PC by BC. Okay, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to PC is 18 upon BC. So BC is equals to 18 root 3 meter. And we know that AB is equals to AC plus BC. From here AB will be equals to AC we have found, that is 6 root 3 plus BC 18 root 3, that is equals to 24 root 3 meters, and this is the answer. Clear? In third or part it is asking find the height BQ if the angle of elevation from P to Q be 30 degree. So here what we have to find is BQ. So if we join R to B, now BQ will be equals to BR plus RQ. Since BR will be equals to PC, okay, that is the height of the bridge from river, it will be 18 meter. So now what we have to find is QR, and adding QR to RB we will get BQ. So now we have to consider the triangle PQR. In PQR we know that PR will be equals to BC, and in this part, third part, we have already found that BC is equals to 18 root 3 meter, and we will be using this information in this part. This is 18. Okay, now in third or part, what we have to find is in triangle PQR, we know that PR is equals to BC, that is equals to 18 root 3 meter, and what we have to find is we know the PR is basically base adjacent to the angle, that is base, and what we have to find is perpendicular. So considering P and B perpendicular and base, we will be using trigonometric ratio, that is tan theta. So tan 30 degree will be equals to P by B, that is QR upon PR. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to QR upon PR. PR we have already found, that is 18 root 3. So from here QR will be equals to 18 root 3 by root 3, that is equals to 18 meter. So from here we can say that BQ will be equals to BR plus RQ. So BR is 18 meter, we know that, plus QR is 18, that is equals to 36 meters, and this is the answer. Clear? Okay, here we end the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and share the video with your friends so that they can also get benefited. See you in the next video. Bye bye.